your shoulder, got a icy chill. Man, you thought you'd get away with it, now you know you never will. Somebody, somebody, you got a feeling somebody's following you. No one knows about the times you had. You've been so evil, you know you've been so bad. There's a devil to pay what you put them through. You got a feeling somebody's following you. Somebody, 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 oh somebody, you got a feeling somebody's following you. Somebody, let somebody, somebody, let somebody, you got a feeling somebody's following you. Well, howdy there, pluckers. Ivysaur Fingers back with you again with hopefully another interesting ditty for you. This one's from the Eagles and it's called Somebody, and it's from the Long Road East of Eden type of album, okay, that it comes from, I believe. Okay, so I'm in standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the original key of D minor that the Eagles played it in. Okay, so let's break it down for you. Okay, so the hardest bit is the riff. Okay, so it starts off with this, which is a B flat. Okay, I'm playing it as a B flat bar chord. So all it starts off is the that's the third on the fourth, second on the fourth, open fourth, and then we go into this B flat, ideally bar chord. I mean, if you can't do the bar chord, bar on the first fret with the first finger, and then barring the first three, the fourth, third, and second strings on the third fret with either three fingers or a single bar with your third finger, then you could just play a simple B flat. Okay, so first fret of the top E string, first finger, and then the third fret of the fourth, third, and second strings with your other three fingers, four downwards. So you could just do that. So you're okay, but it's better if you can get the bar in because you get that note there. Okay. Then you do that same riff again. Fourth on the fourth string, third fret, second fret, open fourth. But this time you play the open A string, the fifth string. And this time you play D minor. Okay, so you go. Okay, then we got this little bit. I tend to do it with an A minor chord. So A minor chord, and you sort of, basically you're playing the thicker strings, 5 downwards. And then you put your pinky up to that third fret on the fifth string. Alright? So it's once with it, pinky off, then put your pinky on, off, on, off. Okay, so now we've got this. Then we play an A chord, an A major chord, okay? Just a single strum. And then you play the bottom E string open, and then hammer into this first fret on the bottom E string. Hit that twice, and then to the D minor. And then it repeats the whole thing again for the second time, okay? So that's the intro, so I'll play it really slowly for you, okay? Let's do that again, shall we? There we go. The idea. I'll do it one time really slowly, okay? Then we go into the verse, very, very simple. You feel bad, D minor, bad, but not bad in A minor, enough. You know you had it, G minor coming. Now I'm playing it as a bar chord, G minor, 3rd fret bar, 1st finger, and then the 5th fret of the 4th string and 5th string, like that. If you can't do bars, or you don't want to do the bar, then a simpler one is that, barring the top 3 strings, 1st finger, 3rd fret, and then again the 5th fret of the 5th string and the 4th string, the A string and the D string. Don't play the bottom E string, okay? 5 downwards. Whichever one's fine, that's a G minor bar chord or the simpler one without the bar. Okay, so from the beginning, you feel bad, D minor, but not bad in A minor, enough. You know you had it, G minor coming, because you played so D minor, rough. Repeat, back over your shoulder, got a nice A minor chill. Man, you thought you could have a G minor away with it. Now you know you never D minor will. Then we go into the chorus, and that's G minor, bar chord or simpler version. Somebody, D minor, somebody. A minor, you got a feeling. A major, somebody's following. D minor, you. Go into another verse, D minor, who knows about the times A minor had. You've been G minor so evil, you know, you've been so D minor bad. There's a devil to pay for what you put them to A minor through. You've got a G minor feeling, somebody's following D minor you. We've got the chorus again. G minor, somebody, oh somebody. D minor, somebody, oh somebody. A minor, you gotta feel. A major, somebody's following D minor. You. Chorus again. Somebody, you let somebody. Somebody, you let somebody. A minor. You gotta feel A major, somebody's for D minor you. And then we do the instrumental again. And again. then it goes into another verse exactly the same as the other verses, 2 choruses, and then it goes back into the intro again and finishes. Okay, really simple song. Okay, hope you enjoyed that, and join me for another Eagles song soon. Okay, another one in the pipeline. Okay, bye for now.